Fixing personal credit and fixing business credit may sound similar, but they're two completely different games, with different rules, agencies, and strategies. Personal credit repair focuses on the three main consumer reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You're dealing with your social security number, and the process involves disputing inaccuracies, removing negative items, and building your FICO score by maintaining healthy accounts like credit cards and loans. Business credit repair, on the other hand, is all about your EIN, employer identification number, and the reports created by agencies like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. These reports don't follow the same dispute process. In fact, many business credit bureaus don't even have a clear dispute system, meaning you often have to go directly to the creditor to fix errors. Payment history on business trade lines can also carry more weight, especially when trying to secure funding or contracts. And here's a key difference. Business credit doesn't require personal credit, if done right. You can build business credit completely separate from your own, using vendors, Net30 accounts, and business credit cards. Bottom line, the stakes are different, and so are the tools. Knowing which world you're playing in is half the battle. Want to clean up both sides of the credit game? Visit creditfixguy.com or email service@creditfixguy.com.